Let's be honest. What mom doesn't have to finish the rest of their kids' school project when they go to school the next day? So let's keep going. Okay, I made something and I'm gonna show you how to do it. And it's super simple, but you really can't see it, which is the best part. So I just used a little box, a container that was big enough to fit 20 things. And I made my own little dividers, and it's not super fancy, but I'm gonna be able to carry it into school. Okay. We are gonna make some dividers to stick in our little box to hold our Valentines so they sit up nice and we can take them inside without them spilling everywhere. I'm using our pizza boxes, and why I have pizza boxes is I love to make pizza, and I made it for some of my friends, and I was like, I need to deliver it to them, and I don't have a box, and I don't want to stick it in Tupperware. So I went to a food supply store and found these, but you can just get them on Amazon. I'll drop a link in the description. That's what people say. But the reason I would suggest a pizza box is because of how many pre-made folds and already cut edges that there are. And you can make straighter cuts, and then you basically can just fold back this edge, and that is your straight edge, and then you can just accordion fold the rest of your way. So you do this, and then you kind of score the next part so that you have a starting point, and then you cut along this edge so that you can fold. So now you can just like accordion fold. We have cardboard. Now we're gonna stick it in the box. I just kind of covered the outside quickly with vinyl so that the edges look a little cuter than just, you know, random clear box. Fold it on the edge. And I have 20 Valentines, so I have to kind of space these out to where I have 4 of these little dividers. All right, so these long ones now,